Ulster hurling is kind of looked upon as, second class, and we know that. We know where we're at in the hurling world. We don't need anybody to tell us, and pundits are out there. We're well aware of the game. We're well aware of what we need.
It's all to play for.
It's just to try and change that mentality that we can compete here, we can change. And I always had an attitude, if you're going to beat me for 70 minutes, you better bring your A game, because I'm going to die in the end of this ball here.
This is Terence McNaughton trying to get past Roy Mannion. Jim Troy takes off the hat as the ball drops in. Comes back out to Kieran Bharr. Oh, a fine point indeed by Kieran.
Bhí an cuma orthu nach raibh chun dul bhaile an lá sin gan bua a bhainteach.
A determined man from Cushendall, Rory Oak.
15 minutes into the second half, when the game was there for the taking, he started to dominate us.
And Antrim, inspired by the fact that they're keeping in close touch here with these Offaly lads, who's Terence McNaughton drops one over the bar.
And what happens is when you get leaders leading, then others tend to follow.
That's a lovely point by Terence McNaughton, known in Antrim as Sambo.